Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sensor and your device. First, remove any case or protector that blocks the reader. Once done, wipe the sensor and your finger with a lint-free cloth or light alcohol swab so moisture and oil won't interfere. Next, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. After reboot, go straight to Settings, Security, Fingerprint to verify enrolled prints. If prompted, authenticate with your PIN, so you can proceed to re-register or adjust detection sensitivity. Once you're in fingerprint settings, delete problematic entries and re-enroll prints deliberately. You should enroll 2 to 3 fingerprints, capturing the same finger at different angles so the sensor learns more surface area. Make sure you use consistent pressure and include the edges of your fingertip during each scan. This improves recognition when your finger sits slightly off-center. Also, check and enable a reliable alternate unlock, like PIN or pattern, and set appropriate biometric timeout to reduce lockouts. Finish by testing unlock multiple times in normal usage. Try different angles and light pressure to confirm consistency. Make sure your operating system and security patches are current. Once updated, toggle the fingerprint feature off and on to reset services. If you still see errors, clear the sensor or biometric cache in app settings and re-enroll. If problems persist after that, contact manufacturer support because a failing sensor or hardware fault may require repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.